Dito, well, to unify our constituency is to show to them that we are true to our oath of office. And having said that, we need to fulfill our obligations by serving them with utmost integrity, the responsibility of public good, the promotions of the public welfare should always be paramount to the Ligas Peñas. I have given the details of those programs and advocacy that I want to continue, and with special emphasis on education and tourism. Of course, the promotion of tourism, health, also to sports and youth development. Of course, the sector of the elderly will not be taken for granted. Well, the wounds, it will heal over time. Time heals everything. But as I have said, it will be assuaged by the healing balm of good public service. So, yun lang kami.